I greet everybody. Una good morning. Edo ni yayo. Wala mogun. Wala mogun itu waya. Me no go view wa Princess Obana me. Egwa. Wala mogun. Oba Tope ise. Emi ni re ba we de na. No da ga. Apa. Emi gogan. No give sunu. Keke we agbon. Ozo maitin. Orun para agbon na. No go senya ado se. No wo yanya ado ye. No we ni edege yeke. No we ni edego kie. Ero ye. Agbon. Ozo maitin. Na ladi amede na. Ina we adegu gwale. Emi no aya legagbe. Oni erun. Pia na yazode. Na yaze umame. Oni eboti protection. Ina wa dege. Uswen. Imani ragbon. No yo boy emi. Emi no yo boy. Egbae. Emi no u. Egbae. No wa dege wa mwekigbo. No wa dege ohan dede wa wemi. Inye no maso obo. Evane egian. Iyan hanari egbian ladi. Awe mi pa. No we edebe duna ne no hin. Na ladi amede na. Ina gweni do tame. Ida adobe. Kemi no ida we urion. Aimi mi neri odukun. Neri oto. Aimi mi neri odukun. Neri oto. Aimi mi neri odukun yeye neri oto. Udame mi nitana. Na ladi amede na. Number. Ki ari ladi. Number na ni ari ladi na. Na. Awa beni waro na. No egi ya imawe no wa call. Why call no why disturb me? Ima no ma distract me. Ima no ma call. Do atala toto iyo me o. Ima like ye. No bana ni ari ladian. A text message wano. A text message. Ona no bani ya nwina. Ono na. O wa we ladiane. Ina wa receive ni wa receive ne. Wa call e wa ko enwina. Ima ni ri no bana ya distracted no ba ni ya nwina. Ono na iyobo edo ya o. O ya me legbini mota. Legbini inui, legbino bana me no se no roke. Emi ni auna. Ni ari eti baniti. Ni yawe. Ni ari eti baniti. Ni yawe. Ada ni kana. Ni ari eti baniti. Ni yawe nuwa. Eti me eti yenui. Wa me ni tana. Ni asiri nene. Ewe ni ikere na bana ladi. abia na ho me go kun so ko we mi me iro si we ye wa zegbe okon me. Walao, wa agree. Yeah, the number 080 82 74 47 97 080 82 74 4797 ìwé ìgbẹ́yẹ̀ tiẹ̀ 080 82 74 47 97 wako gay inoba na ima like na call a text message gay do why not the new card na on a number ni ya wina a text message no. Wisdom, no. Osa, Sunday. Yes, my brother, Naim. Abeg, na just text message. Your name, your son name. Just send and come. May I pray over it. Your name, just your name. Your name, your son name. People don't they send message. Just your name, your son name. Good morning. I greet you. I do. Just your name. Oh. I go look everything later. Abe mona no call. Just your name. I do me wala eni ne baba bije we e ko gbon ni ya ne runu. Wato bo wa we erun. O pia na yazo de. Erun. O pia na yazo du mame. Agbon ozo maiti. Orun okpairo yeye. No wo use ya do se. No wetin ya do de yeke. No wetin ya do de go here. agbon ana semi ya fefefe evani na la dia wedene na ena legbine emota ina legbine yenu oba atokpe ise emi ni awu na ni da doge na miewe wawe agogo wawe yewe adogbano ofure oviro munda we amiemi Mona no call, just text message. As soon as they do it like this, so it good. Text message, your name, your son name. Mona no call, just your son name, your name. Just send and come. Like that. What send the ere. Your name and your son name, just send and come. No banana area la diana. Bini wa guanfuna. Even na wa doyo. Rundu wa. Ina do gene card. Ina do. Cause bini me ya we mi ekuwe me kire. Irule ya ngbo. Uda me ni tana. No do wana de card no na e card ni ya nwina. Anybody no get a number ni ya nwina. Not getting a Facebook call. We are line or ya mobile ya comment. You are comment. You are comment. I like you are comment yo. So not there get a line. Oko. Eri no bani yang wina eri ne. Ono na edome nuzo mo edome no go me bona. Iya weta da na egbe. Ikpian boy ya okpa. Ikpian boy ya okpa. Emi ni ege ya eti we ya be legbi ni yenu yi. Ife ko wa be una. Beni me wona na wewu nokpa o. Mami ege edemede no fure kan yaro. Udame menitana. Edemede no ofure kan yaro. Edemede no fure kan yaro. We menitana. Ta daregbe wagbona. Awa danegbe. Eruna ni hiawe we a protection na ni kana. We mi ewe ave manife. Ave manife ni awafe ni awin awafe. Awi kbia ibia kikbia kini ya yin ado. Uda we enigwalumame. Uda we nigwaligo. Aberu da we iyame omano hiari yoboniya. Aberu da we iyame eravije no boso ino dede uniya. Ekiniya yinya ya dobore na miena nehere. Udame yomena na we ni ladian ni niru ni dadoge. Ikawe fie ladian the last month. Ina we na vijo moya 2 months or so. Ina we ni ya ladian. Bason ni ya niru ni mo. Udame that was 2 months ago. The young shall grow. Ibia kanege eyawa isekinya wa fianwu. Emi ahia we ahwenia. Amae udoviri bum erun opia na yazoda erun opia na yazodu mama. La wa agbe ode. Erun opia na yazode erun opia na yazodu mama. Wadane nitana agbon wegbegbe ino ma wege ya dane mane managbon o ya agbon wegbe ave mani wiya wafi ave bigi mene bigi bele niya ekiniya rebia kikpia ya do uda wa hiama na bia ezekwa na bia otu na bia ajebe otu ni wa meji na we nyebe mi emiwe giemu we dagbiyan ekiniya yin ya do ekiniya yibia kikpia ya do ikpia suse Abi yon boss in wa me na ya wa suffer. Oge mani ko wa ne uvi viore. Wa la ro wa vie koko yudu. Ololo pe vaban lele aban wa mi no ga zeyo we. No ga asige wa no. No ga mu ige kremi no ga ri go no ya we tu ya re ba. Ona ka go wi ku. E mo bon logo be na go wi pe ya. O da mi yo me na. We na go wi pe yen we ni we tona na ni a. Awe princess Obana me say make girls they date 2 boys 3 girls. But why munu wa do da mami wa no pa no kiso dire. Iya we emi ologo wa na we mi so. Eme ya filadian o. Do ya hin we owo yo. Uda go ko o tu verie. Eni ya harere owe. Ibi ekikpia na wa mi na ya suffer. Ya wa suffer. They do wetin they not supposed to do for money's sake. They do wetin they not supposed to do. Say make the seafood chop. Boys, they do wetin they not supposed to do. Make they still see enjoyment. Make they still flex as their mate they flex. That's why I made that comment. Say, it's easy for woman. Small. Why? Woman get 2 friends. One go pay house rent for her. He go buy cream for her. He go do his hair for her. But the boy won't call. You see him. The wahala where boys they not be small. You hear me? This prayer, I don't want to pray. Some they will be say they prison and waiting not yours too because they also say if papa and mama don't get level. I be papa and mama not get money. I be papa and mama they not get say. They just carry the wahala put for the boy head. He just dey prison now, dey prison. He go just dey prison. All those rich men, biggie men, wetin they do? Now this prayer, I say more now pray. You understand? All mothers wey be say, you know the value of children. May you support as I dey talk this thing. So see support. Even though they not send the message give you. As I start this thing today, come out for night. Me, I go come out, I go naked, I go pray for everybody. That's why all una name now I want to pray. All the person where be say that they send message, your son name, your name, any nera ewe, any joy ewe, ehaya neru. Oya me legbini mota no na we kyoba, legbini yenu ijeze. Oba atok be, I aru okparo. You can never see one tree in the forest. I know what I'm doing, not by my power, but by the cost. Now they hear wetin I dey talk so. Innocent, many things they happen. This protection, everybody need them. Protection may be the key. If you protect yourself, no matter where you run to, where you go come back safety. You go run, come back safety. Protection, prayer is the key. I talked about 2 months ago. 2 months ago, may mama made they pray for 7 days or so. For night, may they carry their breast come out, may they take pray. Sometimes small word when I they talk they come out. Una go they commonize them. Small but mighty. Edogo vinya here or zahere. Wamamu igo meni wa here wow. You know when you do it for wow here. Never again na ya rush. Because una emi nuka egwe wado urulewe marulewe emi ni wa yewe. So we cook bekun soto. Na we make na aro. No make na we se no do we gbava. Uda me ni tana. Lao the number make I still call am again. Yeah, where ba who dey online since? Hey. 08082744744. Me yari makaya gbeni na edegese. Who did there? Lao, walao. Emanika get the number or you send a message rena. Ite we gbe kotege benya ya yemaka we na imadere se mani do we mi no magba. Wala wari ege me wanoda line. Di we gbe ya mu ne. Ni agumege emi na gbe yo mo waze gbe zingba okan. Emanika lao say na send a message. Ite we ni we gbe ti the number emanida lao na ya make na yo. Waze gbe wala wuwu. Oh wait, call 080 82 744 797. Ah, your banner man. E makana be ya gbene mi na la o teme. Your banner man 080 82 744 797. No he there o. Ni we gbe ti e 080 82 744 797. Why call o mama no? Why call? Why call? Just text message any your name, your surname, any ne baba vije wa ewe send the head. Akpage emeni guakaba erun o emiya erun o pia na yazo de. Wala metobi me emeni hia we ti yen no ye. Iwa ga ewe mi gugan wa sunu wa gbon na emi gugan. Na we ni lada wa de na ni do we mi no we keke ni ave o we ni we u na wa bia o ami aru pa bo avi jo mo ya ave ro mo no hima gengen mo e mo ni ma de ki o ma ya we se kin ya wa fian wo no emi gugan wa sunu no wa we neru adobo mi na send ni na gun wa zebe ni na me e ko ni ya la ja mu na na ni na mwenya wi ma mwenya zabo unda we una giko egboko ekenu wariri aje o me minukin when we dey by princess obana me no da we eranpa ti kinwa everybody if you know that you want to support you come out in the midnight pray for everybody. As you pray, people will also pray for you. Protection is the key. Prayer is the key. As you pray for protection, no matter where you go to, you will come back safety. Protection is everything. Prayer is everything. Based on what is happening, you understand me? Things are happening. I've been saying it since how many months now? Things are happening. Even what is even happening in social media, I come out by myself. Because if it takes for me to fool myself to beg everybody, I will fool myself to beg everybody. Are you getting me? So let the shame be on me. As far as I did the work, that is my pride. If it takes me to fool myself to make people understand that between evil and bad, between good and bad, between doing something good and between doing something right, if I fool myself to make people understand it's good to be good, It's good to be good. It's good to support. It's good to love. It's good to have sympathy, conscience for people. No problem. Let the shame be on me. The pride will be inside my spirit because I could be able to face it and do the work. That is it. Some people, they just want people to be regarding them, people to be respecting them. They don't care who they destroy. They don't care who they commonize. They don't care who they disrespect. They don't care who they fool. No. That is not the real way to do something in this life. Base, you are a human being. Blood is functioning in your body. Everybody have blood. Everybody have heart. Everybody eats. You eat too. Are you getting what I'm saying? Just show sympathy to your neighbor, to your friends. Pray. Where you pray for yourself, pray for others. As you are praying for others, other people are still praying for you. Always learn how to support. A little thing you do is something. That person might just need it mostly. Are you getting me? A little thing you do, that person will appreciate it. Mostly orphanage. Are you getting what I'm saying? Protection. Children are dying. Protect yourself. Boys are doing something they don't supposed to do based off all those rich men that are under it, making them to do what they don't supposed to do. Why I come out today to say pray for protection? After doing all those things, fighting for them, they will use another people again, another face to come after them. You see, all those biggie men, biggie belle, all those young boys you people are doing, they are not the devil, they are not the monster. No. The people that is making them to be doing what they are doing, they need protection. They need protection. Avijo moya. Inya ige walao. Wa yugwe guomo. Wa yugwe guomo walao. Wa nerun. Wa nerun. O monu bio monu ma bie. Venu ya nerun no viere. Eri okpe aboku okanwe ya nerun. Eri erun ni kanwe ya segbo monu bie. Wala wo. Inya. Wa nerun. Wa nerun nemo. Wa nerun nemi no sunu. Wa nerun. Lo salobo olokun no yugwe guyan. Veni kave tasi 08082744797. Why I call you? Just message. If you post any number online, I will delete it. Are you getting what I'm saying? I will delete it. There's a time for joke. This is not for joke. Are you getting what I'm saying? Pray. Pray for people for protection. Pray for people for safety. This don't post your number on this comment. If you post it, I'm not rude. I'm just trying to say this is time to save people's life. Don't write your comments, your number on my comment. I will delete it. And I don't ask you to call me. If you call me, I won't pick. The moment I end this live video, this number will not exist again. Because those who will be sending their names, I will collect them. I don't come for joke. Are you getting me? Those who know my working number, they can be calling me. I don't use this one for work, my work number. I use it for people to send their names for me to pray for today. That is why I went to a motor. I do what I have to do. I go to the sea, run to the goddess. So please, things are happening. If it's good for you, it's not good for other people. There are other people that it's not good for. So you can't say your life is better. You should ignore the rest. That is what I'm trying to say. Be nice. Be good. What comes around goes around. Pray for children, mostly boys. Pray for them. Pray for them seriously. All those people behind them, what they are doing, what they don't supposed to do, there are people that is behind it. Because why I ask you to do that just the way I come out in this live video to do this prayer for everybody for protection? Because after getting what they want, they will use another face, another group of face to come after those boys. They will change the story. See, I love every one of you. I don't blame all those boys because where they come from, are you getting me? Where they come from, maybe their father, their mother can't give them what they want. I don't blame them. Everybody deserves a better life. Everybody deserves a good thing. Everybody wants something better. So please, pray. It's easier for girls, so as I said before. It's easier for girls because there are some people assisting them. But what about the boys? They are suffering. Things are pushing them to do what they're not supposed to do. Mostly all those people that want to enter post, they want to become an enemy governor, they want to become an enemy president, they want to become they talk. They use innocent boys to do something they don't supposed to do. At the end, when they get there, they use another faces of guys to come after them so that their secret will remain for them. That is why I need to come out to pray for protection. Don't forget, to you people that is doing all those things, what comes around goes around. To protect all those boys, to protect them, to see things in front of them, to protect them. This is the young one that's supposed to hold the future. This is the young people that's supposed to hold the future. This is the young people that are supposed to keep the next generation fortune. They are dying. The young people die more than the old people. Why? Something is not right. Something is not right. Yes, so yes, 080 82 744 797. Yes, Angel. Yes, now the number be that. Just send your name and your son name. Protection. You understand me? Most of you, all these things when I talk protection, if somebody even use your name, say you not go see husband, you not go see work, nothing where go put hand, make it better for you. All this one are the protection when they talk about. Protection, there are many ways. Are you getting me? No matter what thing they do, the thing not they get head. Now what thing they happen? I'll let you want to come life. Protection, prayer. May I call the number again? 080 82 744 797. Mona not call me. Mona just send una name, just una text message. Send name, not call. Not call. Oh. This number, as you see and so, they register. And this one now because of you now I just do one. This number not go exist again. It not go exist again. This one not be my working number. It won't exist again. I just did this because of every one of you. Honestly, we all need support in this life. Support one another. Don't be a selfish person. If it's good for you, try to stretch forth your hand to give who is asking. It's good to do good. It heals a soul. It gives you good life. Every mothers that know the value of children, that have sympathy for children, that take every children as their own children. You can come out in this midnight and pray for everybody's children, including yours. Please, things are happening. People that are supposed to be the pillar of the future are dying. People that are supposed to be the one in the future are dying. People that are supposed choosing one, they are dying. People are wicked. That is why you need to protect them. Protect them. Protect them with your prayer. Prayer is the key. I come out today, buy this card. Anybody that has been sending names since, I will pick their name after ending this video. I will pick all the names and pray over it. If you see my eyes now, I'm very tired. I worked throughout last night. It's okay, no problem. It's not by my power, but by the cost. I just want every one of you to learn how to be doing good. Just one thing. Just do good. One. If you start picking a rice, 1 cup, one seed to the other one, believe me, don't start worrying about how it go to finish, how long it takes. It's not how long. It's not how far. It's how well. Are you getting me? Patience, just patience. Pray. Are you getting me? If you mention 1 cup of beans, you start picking one by one, dropping it in the other cup. It take a long time before you will finish that 1 cup. Pick one seed, put it in the other one, pick one, put it in the other one, pick one, put it. Don't worry about how long it takes. It's not how long, it's not how far, it's how well. How you could be able to finish it. That is where you're supposed to be proud of yourself. You did a great job. Are you hearing me? Please, supporting others. Supporting others. There is no one tree in the forest. Are you getting what I'm saying? This thing I bring out in this live video, so for protection, for those who are seeking for help, who have been putting their hand on business, the business does not function, who have been doing things is not even right with them. No matter how they try, this is not going well with them. It's like they want to kill themselves. No, don't do that. There is nothing that will go up that cannot come down. There is always a way out in anything you do. Just have that patience. Are you getting what I'm saying? Enemy is the one doing it. It's your home. It's someone you talk to. It's someone that challenged you. There is always a way out. Are you getting me? That is why I come out today to pray for protection. Protection. Things are happening. Protection, no matter what is going on in your life, you need protection so that you can break through, you can walk through it. Are you getting me? No matter where you run to, with your protection and your prayer, you will come back safety. No matter how the enemy may try, with your protection and your prayer, you will survive it. No matter how you pass through temptation and obstacles, no matter what, with your protection and prayer, you will survive it. Shame will be unto your enemies. Are you getting me? Because nobody come to this life to suffer, to feel pain. Are you getting me? To be crying 24/7. Are you getting me? Some people will see you, they will dislike you for no reason. Some people will see you, they will not like you for no reason. That is why you need to pray. Pray seriously. Pray for yourself. That is why I come out in this live video to take names and pray for them. If you are a mother too, please, you can come out in the midnight and pray. I will do my own sacrifice too, because doing it, that is what pleases me. People to be happy, it pleases me. Seeing smiles in people's face, it pleases me. People are happy, it pleases me. Please, as I said, pray for young boys and young girls. All those biggie men and biggie belle where just they use them, they get wetin they want. Now they want enter post, now they want sit down, now they want be president, now they want be governor, now they want be iya egbe, now they want be era egbe. After they don't use them finish, at the end, they not go give them wetin they want. At the end, they go use other face group, come to fight them so that their secret go remain with them. Now I say Mona pray for children. Those children supposed to be president, governor in future. There's something they need to do in future. There's something they need to do in future. Okay, the number again. The number again 080 82 744 797. Mona dey send message like that. Your name, oh, just your name and your surname. Mona no call me, oh. This number no dey exist as I comot for this live video. It will happen again. It will exist again. It will not exist again. This is the card. I subscribe to keeping it because of what I want to do today. Me, I'm not worried about the sleepless night I want to have through these names. I'm happy that I could be able to do it. That is what I want you all to be doing. Stop selfish. Selfishness is not good. Don't eat alone. Stop selfish. Selfishness is not good. Are you getting me? It's not good. Are you getting me? If things is well with you, someone is crying, try to stretch forth your hand and give to those who are seeking for it. I call the number again 080 82 744 797. Are you hearing me? Zero 82 744 797. Now they hear wetin I dey talk. Mona no call. I take your beg you. Mona no call. Just message. This number not go exist again. It not go exist again unless I still get another program when I want to do. Now I go still put on. This is not my working number. My working number, people that have it, they have it. Call me on Facebook, call. That is why I love to be commenting. If you see me online, call. I give you my working number. This is just the number I want to use to help people who are seeking for help. Are you getting me? Things are happening. Things are happening. People are dying. People are dying. There's supposed to be somebody in future. They're supposed to do something in future. That's all. Please don't call, just message. Call, message your son name, your father name, your name. You know they this like say no call, just message. Not too funny, sha. I know they pick call. As I just end this video, so I don't comot the line for inside now to copy all the old names. Finish. Pray. All mothers pray. Oh, Edonago mewala. Ona wa ya son na menu wa. Oma we no wa call. Why would it be your call? Why send a message? Your message, your text message, your name, your surname. Zero 827447. Yes, sir. Yes. Now the number be that. Just send your name. Your banana. Then Mama. You know too. Now I don't reach 8 to 9. I walk off. Ina yani auna ni orobo ni ana we ni we. Uda we emi gugan sunu. Ena we no wari ni wari ni ya nero. Kemi no ida we mo ni ami ekyo pa no do na lawo da na ro. Emi gugan sunu. Wa send ni wa we ni wa ni ro wa. Ewe ti di number ba. Make I beg you now, I beg Muna no call. Muna just send message. Not be call, just message. Your son name message. This number no go exist as I come out for this live video. It no go exist again. See am, and the paper be this. I buy am specially because of waiting. I say I want to. Níwé yà ẹ wẹ̀ òwe yẹ rọ́mà o. Ẹ ti kàn yá bí ẹ o. Una phone sha. Muna no call na no say na one call. Ja. Ist gut. Say hello. Hello. Good morning. My grandmom say your name and your surname. Hello. Grandmom say send your name and your surname. Don't call. Yes. It's what I said though. They are still calling. Can you imagine that? Yeah, go and play outside. Go and meet Mama. Go and meet Mama. Hello. Ma when night to neba. Sanoba oloko na so ade. Wow. So, one more time. 080 82 744 797. Just your name, your surname. Don't call. Oma edome no go me. We ni kaya mwe wayala mogun egwa itu waya. Oba tokpe ise wala o. Abijomo ya. No banana mi we gbomo. Wawe ladian, wawe nero. Kemo. Kenona na ne vio mawe, wano na ina ne buwa. Wala wo. Irene, una game eti enu yo ya me like bin mota no ra we kyoba. Nori ati ba meti. Nori o ni ba mo ri o. Una game no make na igba. Zebebe ni kata si. Why call o? Ikian laye. Ina na re. Take. Yeah. Oh. Bye. Go meet them for kitchen. 08082744797. Wala o abijo mo ya fefe. Wala o mo gebo ya no o kinuna na no gwe na no go ma be. A wa de mi no sunu. Emo ede ki o ma yan ise ki yan wa fian wo. Na me mi ni yan yan o we de na ho. Mo be ge ru pa ro no wi yan do ri oja yan do sise ni ewu owu do wire. Agbon ozo meti. No wala na we no wa we mo yerun we ni me we la dan de na ina we no wa ya fefe. No send them any. Why you call it? Send them message. Omo ya pa yo vie no. Iwe phone o. The last number. Godwin, I don't like people number. This is not a joke. You understand? Don't do that. Anybody number I see on this comment, I delete it. Are you getting me? On a STGNS, how can you put number? I'm not calling you. I'm not calling anybody. This is not my working number. You people should stop calling. Don't call. Just send a text message. And they go. Me and call them again. 080. Anybody that played the video, you will see it, but it's just for now. I mean, I still waste more. 08082744797. 08082744797. Yes, this number. As I end this live video, there are many messages since. I don't joke in what I'm doing. It's not by my power, but by the ghost. Things are happening. Since 3 months, I'll be 2 months. I say you people should be praying. Mothers, pray for your children. Bring your breast out. Pray for your children. Pray for your children. That was about 2 months ago or so. It then inside my live video. It then inside Mona pray. Pray. Things are happening. Those who do that prayer that time, that pikin, it will still deal with them. Mona pray. Prayer is the key. Protect your children. Protect your family. All mothers, please support everybody's children. Let other people's children be your children. Which one you can't post your 4+ name? Now today that they see who they whether na England or maybe yes me not the Euro. Don't write your telephone number. This is what I'm saying. Stop deceiving people. This is a serious thing. You are writing your number. What am I going to do with your number? I know they block you. Now they delete. I can't block you. I'm just deleting what you wrote on it. On a STGNS. You want confuse people. They write your name, they put for comments. Your number, they put for comments. This is not my working number. I bought this card just to do the job I'm supposed to do for everybody. I'm still on it. 9 o'clock not already passed. I'm still on it. 08082744797. Your name, your surname. Just message, don't call. Me I still call her 080 82 744 797. And then again, okay, now my banning my go my do 080 82 744 797. Yes. Just your name or your name, your surname. For protection. Prayer is the key. Protection. Things are happening. Things are happening. Oh, different things are happening. I've been saying it for more than 3 months, 2 months. Pray for your family. Pray for your children. Pray for your family. Pray for your children. This prayer I want to do. Mona no call. I dey beg una beg. Just message though. Message. As I'm mentioning this number on live videos, if you call 1 hour's time, the number not going to exist. You go say switch off. Because I bought this card for a reason. Because of you. For those who are seeking for protection and help. Just to collect your name and pray over it. Pray for you. 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 To pray for you. People are bad. Things are happening. Things are happening. Young people are just dying anyhow. Huh? They're supposed to be the one in the future. There's something they're supposed to do in future. The reason why they come to this life, they could not fulfill it. Because of the wickedness of human beings. Because of the wickedness of people. Because of the wickedness of human beings. Please, your name, your surname, 8 to 9. Now I don't already pass since. Imu enyahu, eti mu ejizabo. Uda emi wasonu. Na be do we mi na mi ewe. Ina ya be sijo. No walao. Ami mi okpa no unegba. Ami mi okpa no unegba. Ina ya fe protection, a prayer you need there. You need there. And I be bigi bele. Now say una two get money. Una go to use boys. They do what they're not supposed to do. After I don't sit down for that post, sit down for the share finish now. Una go ignore them. How you want make them stay happy? Make them dey okay. When I know say boys they suffer, when our boys now suffer pass for this life. It dey easy for girls. Girls go see go buy shoe give her, buy cream give her. Boy unko, who want come give her? They just want to enjoy life. They just want to become somebody. They just want to stop to the call now. I don't understand una sometimes. So, I be now they put my leg say I go verse curse now. I know they curse. Now prayer come for everybody. I don't get time to curse. Who they curse, I know they like. All of you na my own. No need to do that one. As I pray for you now, so I pray for my own too. You know, see my grandson come and come greet you now just now. And then too bad then it yeah. I call really me wa call it in na even na no why one no you go get ya win ani. Oja ni didi you anything suffer nigi se boy wala ro suffer no gba. Oni ekoya so me nyeme ni ka boya jugi o wa me. Nda we mi na we iwe ogba. Oya me legi ni mota. Legi no bana me legi ni enu iya iwe we ni wa kare bo me mi ni auna. Oya me de card na rundun wa. So iwe 8 to 9 ina egbera na iye mi ro. E card na ya end live video na eyin wi na ye yo te se 1 hour. I'll say 1 hour, prayer do copy a message ya fe. E copy la dia. Ni suan ya ne roni ya kasona pa. Ije e baba de mi be ro worion. No ave we no be ya rierun swe. E khoni ya la dia me de ne na. do we na no la go we la diamason no we neru no wala eri hia be yare na son asomabu avaibu we legbine ihenu ine ijeze isekene mota yeru de nyina ne una imeko we ime kere emi sunu emi wasunu e mani ma sege ni ya ikpa isekinya pa no da agbon izomati na we ni lada me de ne ka taxi 2 months to 3 months wa neru jomo wa neru ina we ni ya ka evi won lada ni ya neru wa neru e mo wa mani bu ibi e ka ave gba mo ni e wa gulo wetin na no keke bi no hia wa kwe don't do that you can't write your name on comment. Don't do that, delete it. I say write it in my message, the number I call. I'm deleting it. Don't do that. Don't write your name here. Are you getting what I'm saying? I'm deleting it. Don Richard, I want delete your comment. I not say I want block you. E no good. This one a comment. Don't write your name on here. Send am for the number when I dey call. Since I not block you, I want comot the comment when you write. Never you write your name on this. Are you getting me? I not the joke. So that anything when I pray for you go work. I don't want me at the stuff and somebody will come to destroy am. They hear me? Yeah, I still call the number again. 08082 744 797 08082 744 797. Mama, are you hearing me? Don't write your name on the comments. Send it to that number. 8 to 9 now I talk. 9 don't pass since my brother, my sister. Love one another. Be your brother's keeper. People are doing what they don't supposed to do. Based on what they have been doing. No progress. Nothing they do is good. They are so frustrated in life. They start doing what they do wrong and right, what they don't supposed to do. Protect them with prayer. I'm doing this prayer. That is why I come out today. I bought this card because of you. This number will not exist after 1 hour. It will not exist again until I have work to do before I will bring the number back. Those who have my real number, working number, call that one. That is why you see every time I always comment on my comments so that you will know I'm online. Some people say, why you not bring your number, come out? You know work when I dey do. I be you say person dey joke. I dey one by one. I know they rush. I do something. I know say I do something. Carry everybody. Come they say, call me. Bring your. No. Anybody where if he reach me for Facebook call, I give her my number. If I put am for hair like that, people they call. How you want now? Work go join work now. Step by step. 080. Mona no call, just message. 080. Yes, so 08082744797. Yes. I love every one of you. Just say your name, your surname, and I took on a shot. Now today they see abroad number. Not call me. I don't get time to talk. Not call me. Or just send text message. As I end this video, this live video, this number not go exist again between 1 hour. So that me and see chance to copy all the names. Me and start working the night. So, not write your name on this comment. Please text it to that number. Don't call me, oh, write your name, send your name, send it, don't call. I don't pass 9 o'clock since now. And they see the day 8 now till start. 9 o'clock, 8 to 9. 9 don't pass since I still there here for now. See, if people they try like this, they do well like this, tell me how life not go better. Huh? How life not go better? How life not go better? Tiredness in my faces last night walk. This is not my real working number. My working number, those who have it, they know. If you call me on Facebook call, I give you my working number. That is why I always like to be commenting online. I can't publish my working number on here. Too much work. So I'm not selfish. I like to be doing something that somebody can say yes. I could go funny, shall. Hey, that is how I go. Oh, Mama, give me your number. Bros, if I just dey carry the number, they call her. Yeah, I don't talk her for the whole world. I be the trick when I know one they trick people. When they do well, when they act well. Anytime you see me commenting on Facebook, then call Facebook call. Work me, I beg. Inbox me, I beg. Yes, auntie, brother, I hear. I go inbox you because I don't get work to do. People where they inbox me, I don't feel reply them. Huh? Because work day, brother, work day, sister. I beg, not vex say I know the reply now. Just ask me how many I want to reply. Just ask me. So I just come on my mind for there. It better. When I not vex say I know the reply. Yes, so 08082744797. Yes, just send your name and your surname. Ew, why say we be na na wa neru me wo bi na. Ona me ka odega ineru no ma o ma neru me. Agbon ari ni selfishness iro. O wa ari ni ta da ne gbe o boya pa. Odega not benani odega for your good work. God go bless you too. The gods go bless you. The ancestor go bless you. Our forefather go bless you. For you to dey see things like this, e not easy. E not easy. See, and somebody they pray for me. Why I not go pray for her? Somebody they pray for me. Why I not go pray for her? Somebody they ask, who are you? Sonny, I'm nobody. I'm nobody. That is not proudness, that is a wideness. I'm nobody. If you have any way to come, then you can see that I'm somebody in God's eyes. How you go write this one? Please, who are you? Huh? What are you doing? I'm nobody. I felt it on. I feel for myself to make it right. To make you to see what is right. If I fool myself, no problem. As far as I have done the job, that's what pleases me. So I don't already talk since more than 9 o'clock now when I'm there. Here. So I won't come out for life. I don't try. Mona not call. I want send a message. Yeah, they call. This number not go work from 1 hour plus now. It not go work again. From 1 hour not go work. Make I copy all the old names since come out when they send come. Okay, that is no. It's okay. Okay. And I'm not cursing now, Sonny. No, I not curse you. I just dey talk. I not curse. It's okay. Good morning. It's okay. Good morning, Sonny. It's okay. No need to explain. It's okay. I love everybody. I don't come. No, sir. God will bless you. And me, will clean you. So, I'm done for today. I love every one of you. Ije, Baba. wayala mogun ego aichu waba tokpe ise wala o emi ni laja medene na do nerun do vie eni ma ni ya nerun oya me legbini yenu legbin oba na me no do me legbin mota no rawe ki oba tokpe ise keke nu wa bi aja bi jo mo ya fefefe no yin oba lo na mi re gbomo we be laja wa sona nugu me nerun inwe na ne pise oba na me una na segaro netin wari etin ba metin wari ori oba worion wa na me we uni enu give me no make na gba no need to call just send the message na as I dey end this live video this thing no go work again no need to call just send text message your name finish your name your son name bye bye yo we love you oh I love you too oh Oba Tope Ise.